traders, it's Simon here with your weekly review of the US dollar / DXY. So last week we was anticipating either some bearish confirmation on the lower time frame or a move up to 97.5. We got the move up to 97.5, a little bit of rejection there. I'm not quite happy on the lower time frames that we're going to break down as of yet, and I'll show you why at the moment. So ideally at the moment we just get a bit of a slowdown there. We are at the RSI of 100 now on the daily chart, so you can see the last previous times 100 does start bringing it down. So do look for your bearish confirmation on the lower time frame, and we do look at the lower time frame. The reason why I'm not too confident was once we broke down on the beginning of last week, we tested 4-hour 50 EMA and the 97 level, so we didn't actually get any proper bearish pattern whatsoever. We did pull back up to this area here up to 97.3, but when you look down to the lower time frame, the 1 hour chart, what happened was we kind of broke out the 1-hour 50 EMA, and we came back down to test the 1-hour 50 and bounce back off it again. And ideally now I would like a double top pattern, so another test of 97.5 would be ideal. We're definitely in a holding pattern here by looks at the moment, and I just want to wait for it just show me what it wants. So you could maybe do a trend line like this, for example. The 1-hour 50 EMA for me does give you the example of the impression it would break down once you do break below that level. Do notice you got bearish MACD divergence now extending back for quite some time now on the 1 hour chart, so we are going to see, hopefully we should see some move to the downside later on. Just waiting for this pattern to form. You could say it's a double top pattern, don't get me wrong, you really could say it like that, but it's not really a double top pattern. I want to see a breakdown, and ideally as well, this 4-hour 50 EMA would definitely be the signal. Once it breaks down the 4-hour 50 and the 97 level, boom, it will drop down quite a lot there. Also in this video now, I'm going to go to the Aussie dollar as well, just because it's been a very quiet week really. Essentially last week we said we want to move down to 705. We got that, it bounced off it quite strongly and just stopped again, in all fairness. If you look at the volume is really tailing off here. So for me at the moment, there's no volume rejecting this downward sloping trend line. So I'm still waiting. If we get a move down to 0.7, I'll definitely enter long there. If we get a breakout of the daily 50 EMA and this downward sloping trend line, I'll definitely be entering long there as well. But until such point, we're just going to sit on our hands and wait and see what happens. The weekly chart as well doesn't show you nothing, just show you a load of dojis and just lots of wicks is all it is right at the moment. It's not moving now at the moment. When it does move, it'll move quite quick. Use the DXY to see what's going to happen next. Okay guys, hope you have a good week. Take care.